Following takeoff, the pneumatic switches need repositioning for in-flight air conditioning operation.
Care must be taken in repositioning switches to avoid a dual bleed light situation or depressurization. Follow the order displayed on the pneumatic panel for positioning the switches. This order ensures continual pack operation and prevents loss of pressure and dual bleed light illumination. Now touch the engine 2 bleed switch to position it to on. Since the right pack is set to auto, this powers the right pack, preventing depressurization when the APU bleed valve is closed. The APU bleed switch should be positioned to off. Now touch the APU bleed switch to position it to off. Now touch the engine 1 bleed switch to position it to on. Engine 1 now also supplies pneumatic air to the system. Delay between turning off APU bleed and turning on engine 1 bleed. To note, left side duct pressure goes to 0. This ensures no dual bleed condition will exist. To complete the transition to the flight settings, the isolation valve switch should be positioned to auto. Now touch the isolation valve switch to position it to auto. The pneumatic panel is now correctly set for in-flight air conditioning operation, with engines supplying pneumatic power.